There is also an improvement for Assembly Builder tool. There is now an option to select and modify placement point for the assembly. To take advantage of this enhancement, we need to open the Place Assembly tool, then click Change Placement Point and assign a new one. We can see it is useful in case we want to place the same assembly in different configurations in different parts of this example mechanical installation.
If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. If you want to see more such series, consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you, and see you next time.